Approximately 2 in the morning, a formation of Rafale fighter jets equipped with Storm Shadow air-launched cruise missiles took off from possibly Ambala under radio silence. The Rafale, with its long-range and stealth-friendly profile, ascended to high altitude and maintained an oblique flight path toward the international border, skirting radar coverage while staying within Indian airspace. At around 100 to 120 kilometers from the Indo-Pak border, the escaled missiles were launched toward pre-programmed coordinates inside Pakistan's interior, reportedly targeting infrastructure tied to cross-border terror logistics. Given the scalp range of over 500 kilometers, the French Rafale did not need to enter Pakistani airspace, and the missile likely traveled at low altitudes, using terrain-hugging guidance to evade enemy radar before striking with high accuracy. Simultaneously, a secondary wave of Rafale aircraft armed with Hammer, highly agile modular munition extended range, bombs was deployed for tactical strikes on forward positions near the line of control. These jets, possibly taking off from Ambala as well or forward operating strips in Jammu, launched at Hammer bombs from a standoff range of approximately 50 to 70 kilometers, targeting bunkers and movement corridors near areas like Kotli and Bimber. These precision bombs are capable of penetrating hardened shelters and were likely used to neutralize fortified shelters believed to house Milan operatives or weapons caches. At roughly the same time, Sukhoi Su-30 fighter aircraft were launched from Bareilly Air Force Station. They might be carrying air-launched variants of the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile. The Sukhoi Su-30 followed a different trajectory, sweeping further south and west, before launching BrahMos missiles aimed at key logistical nodes, including suspected weapons dumps and radar installations supporting asymmetric warfare. The BrahMos, flying at speeds over Mach 2.8, reduced enemy reaction time drastically, hitting targets that lay up to 400 to 500 kilometers inside Pakistani territory. With the Su-30 extended range, the aircraft could complete the mission and return without crossing hostile airspace. In support of these air missions, a network of loitering drones, possibly indigenous ALFAs or Israeli Skystriker units, was deployed from mobile forward launchers near Rajouri and Poonch. These unmanned systems were launched hours earlier and had been circling their assigned target areas. Once real-time signals confirmed enemy movement or leadership presence, these kamikaze drones dove on their targets, causing localized but critical damage, particularly to mobile radio stations